Everybody, we are watching these birds. I don't know if you can see them, but there's a bunch of birds flying around right directly in front of us there in that center quadrant of palm trees. You see that those trees are totally black with these big birds. They look like ducks, but they're all black. And we've got a little family of the ibises right over here. You can see them there. It's actually pretty bright outside, but on my camera you really can't see very well. But there's 4 ibises over there, and then you got all these birds in the sky that are just circling around trying to find a tree limb. Where'd it go? There's one right there. Look at this guy. Running all over the place. Okay, then we got the moon too. Pretty moon. Looks like it's almost full. I don't know if you can see them, but there's a ton of birds right up here. And they just circle around and land in the trees. Pretty amazing.